Hey y'all, my name is Lakshya. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ScholarAI. This is our new product called Notilo. We just launched in the last couple of days and we're iterating on it quite a bit. So maybe a week from now it looks entirely different, but I'll take you through the user flow right now. Our product is kind of meant to be an in and out of classroom learning companion where students can bring their syllabus, will understand the general content structure, understand the materials that are being tested, the way that they're being prioritized. Students can take notes. So if I were to go ahead, start taking notes on benzene rings, they are aromatic. All of this stuff, whether it's notes, whether it's PowerPoints uploaded, all get uploaded into 1 second brain effectively. That is all semantically searchable and all readable, from which we can transform the lecture material into a Duolingo-style learning journey. So when you give us syllabus, we do some web research. We can understand what the general content structure is, what our opinions of the class, what might be hard about it. That all dumps into a secondary report. So this is available to us to generally understand. And once that's all there, we can go ahead and take a look at our Duolingo-style journey mapping and see our Orgo syllabus, which we had uploaded, is converted to alkanes and nomenclature, alkenes and alkynes. Let's go ahead and open up the alkanes and nomenclature section. What's happening right now is after we've uploaded the syllabus, we have asked to be tested on alkenes, it's taking a look at what is in our second brain, how this professor likes to test that material, what are specific things that they may call out as expected knowledge. For example, nomenclature is not tested in all Orgo classes, but this one seems to. And it starts crafting a personalized study session for you. So taking a look through here, each one of these questions comes from the basis of something that's in the class or something that's generally testable. I'm just going to dump a question. So that was a correct answer. You always get explanations. I always get feedback if I were to get something wrong. So let's say like alkanes always have double bonds, which is very much false. An LM will help you review and give you feedback on your answers. And a jump cut to the end. This generally applies to both our open-ended and multiple choice questions, but you'll see where we're kind of going with this momentarily. So now that we completed the test, every single question gave us feedback. If we got right, it just tells us what the full answer was. If we got wrong, it tries to elaborate on what we misinterpreted. We're going to generate a study session kind of summary. And our goal here, this is not built yet, but kind of crucial to the direction we want to go, is we want to take all of this summary about where your knowledge effectively is on the subject and add it to a knowledge graph. We want to put it into effectively agentic memory so that next time you come back with a question, we can, one, use the second brain of all the class materials that you and your classmates can share, your professor can add to understand what is this class generally about. Plus, when you are interacting with course materials, if you're doing one of these mock exams, if you're even doing a game mode or something that's more gamified in nature, we're able to interpret where your individual pattern is on what you know and dump that into knowledge base and bring it into the next set of questions so we can actually tell you about your progress. That's not built yet. It's one of a couple of things that are kind of in our immediate horizon. So knowledge graphs, we want to integrate shareability and social features, and we want to integrate into some more gamification or even more fun game modes. That's where it is right now. Super early. Again, it could look very different if you were to try this a week from when I'm recording, but that's the product as is. Thank you for checking out. And if you have feedback, let us know.